Good morning, children. So today we are going to revise the topic rules are for everyone. So you know why we follow the rules. Why are the rules? So rules are established to protect the weaker class in the society since they are at a disadvantage if such regulations are broken. When rules are properly set and followed, they provide a stable environment and human coexistence in a community, so resulting in peace and order. So we have to follow the rules. So rules, the law is important for the society, for it serves as a norm of conduct for citizens. Okay, the law is important because it acts as a guidelines as to what is accepted in a society. Without it, there would be conflict between social group and communities. So rules are very much important. Then, so every day we always use the traffic rules. We follow the traffic signals because why we can avoid the accidents. So it is very beneficial for us. We follow traffic rules so that traffic moves smoothly. In the same way, there are the rules of social life also that tell us what each person should be doing. है ना कि हम लोग रूल्स फॉलो करते तो ही हम लोग अच्छे से जो सोसाइटी में हम लोग एक सोसाइटी अच्छे से चला सकते हैं. सोसाइटी में हम लोग सोशल लाइफ अच्छे से मेंटेन कर सकते हैं. So that tells us what each person should be doing. Rules need to be made specify each person's duties and responsibilities. हम लोग भी क्लास में we appoint a captain, vice captain, and that captain that made some rules for the class and we have to follow that rules. Hence, to maintain the discipline in the school, we have to follow some rules. If we go in the school on time, our prayer time is also fixed, our recess time is fixed, and the recess time we have to eat our tiffin. So these are some rules of the schools. Okay, we have to wish all the teachers, we have to obey all the teachers. Okay, so these are the rules to run the smoothly and disciplinary the school's environment. Okay, so rules are formed. If we follow the rules, our day-to-day life becomes disciplined. Okay, so we can work more efficiently because of the rules. So rules are meant for everybody. They apply equally to all. No discrimination following the rule. The rules are everywhere. Rules are for everywhere or everyone. The same rule we have to follow. No one is above the rule. So disobeying the rules leads to punishment. If you broke any rule, we have to get punishment. It should be punishable. So there is no discrimination in punishment for breaking the rules. In this way, equality is the basis of the rules. अगर कोई रूल तोड़ता है तो सबके लिए एक ही punishment होनी चाहिए. It's equality in punishment. No discrimination occurs in the rule if we break the rule. So you know that is then the changes in rules for the society. So the importance of law in the society, that is our society works according to certain rules. हमारे society में भी society ने हर एक rules बनाए हैं. हम लोग जब अगर एक society form करते हो, एक building में रहते हो, तो वो building के भी कुछ rules regulations होते हैं and we have to follow all these rules and regulations. So we make the rules ourselves. We follow these rules because they are meant for a common good. Then proper changes are also introduced in the rules made for the society. There is a difference between the rules of society and the laws of nature. Natural occurrence follow the laws of nature. We cannot change the laws of nature. The rising and setting of the sun, it's a law of nature. So every day sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west direction. So that is the environmental rule, nature's rule. And the change in the season also never stop. It changes continuously, no change. So the law of gravity does not change also. The rising and the falling of tides, the phases of the moon, all of these things occur according to the laws of nature. Okay, it never stops. Then nature's law are the constant and fixed, and nature's law is same for everyone. So they do not ever become outdated. However, human laws need to be changed with changing conditions. So it's a basic difference in human being and the nature. The laws followed in India under the rules of British were different. You know, when India gained independence, the situation changed and the laws of civic life changed accordingly. So for example, after independence, the voting age was 21 years. But now, after 1988, the voting age was lowered to 18 years. So if your age is 18 years, you have right to elect the person. Okay? जो वोट करने का आपको एक राइट मिला है at the age of 18 years. Means you become a major after 18 years. Okay, so this is the rules, changes in the rules for the society. Society में changes हो गए. ब्रिटिश के जो गवर्नमेंट थी तब जो 21 years का एज जो था वो एज वोटिंग के लिए माना जाता था, पर आफ्टर 1988 the voting age was lowered to 18 years. So there is a change the law in the society. So boys and girls or the men and women are equal rights. They all are equal for they must get the same opportunities for development. है ना, अभी हम लोग कोई discrimination नहीं करते हैं boys और गर्ल में. बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स आर इक्वली, जो बॉयज कर सकते हैं वो सब कुछ गर्ल्स भी कर सकती है. दैट इज द बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स आर इक्वल फॉर द then society. Then people of every age need nourishing food. So main thing, what are our basic needs? We required food for the growth, we required what? Air, fresh air we required, we required fresh water to drink, we required basic our necessities. These are air, water, food and shelter, and clothing also. These are our basic needs. So we need these things. Saying then it is incorrect to discriminate between boys and girls. It is unjust to deprive girls of good food or to prevent them from going to school. Such injustice can also be seen with respect to other sections of the society. Okay, so then some rules have to be made to ensure that no injustice is done. So government has made many rules. Then a list of rules is given. Okay, in your textbook you have to learn some rules, because rules have to be made to ensure that no injustice is done. So rules for everyone that are same. So see that some rules have more than one purpose. Discuss each rule in class. So you have to discuss with your parents also. See, the one is first rule is prohibition against loudspeakers in public places after 10 o'clock at night. ये भी एक जो सोसाइटी में बनाया हुआ रूल है कि 10 बजे के बाद आप जोर जोर से लाउड स्पीकर नहीं लगा सकते, जो कि पेशेंट्स होते हैं, जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, दैट इज हार्मफुल फॉर दैट पर्सन. सो दैट रूल मेड इन द सोसाइटी means prohibition against loudspeaker in public places after 10 o'clock at night. Okay, जो भी है दिवाली के समय हम लोग फटाकों के लिए भी यही रूल हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं कि 10 बजे के बाद कोई फटाके, बड़े बड़े आवाज वाले फटाके नहीं फोड़ेंगे. दैट इज वन ऑफ द मेन रूल. Then free primary education for boys and girls. So government had started the free primary education for boys and girls. Each and everyone has right to educate. Okay, so this is one of the rule. Then prohibition against dumping garbage in the river. Okay, as we are celebrating independence, 75th of independence, है ना? तो हम लोग, so it's our duty to keep the river clean, to keep your surrounding clean, to keep our area clean. So it's a prohibition against dumping garbage in the river. आजू बाजू भी आपके अगर किसी में कचरा डाल रहे हैं, आप इसमें गार्बेज डंप कर रहे हैं, so you should have to complain that person, है ना? So it's a rule. Then protection against domestic violence for the woman. It is also a rule. अगर किसी जो वुमेन पे अत्याचार हो रहा है, उस पर डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस हो रहा है, घर में उनको तकलीफ हो रही है, so you should have to complain. Okay, so protect against domestic violence for women. Okay, then ban on child labor. You know, बच्चे जो होते उनका राइट है, दे हैव टू गिव अ गुड एजुकेशन. ओके, इट्स देयर राइट. बट इफ यू सी एनीवेयर child labor is going on, so you should have to complain. Ban on the child labor. Okay, then ban on felling trees, hunting and poaching also. You know, trees are very much important for all of us, so trees also follows the environmental rule. जो तोड़ता है उसको भी वो छाया देते हैं, जो नहीं तोड़ता उसको भी वो छाया देते हैं. नेवर डू डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. So trees are our best friends, so we should have to save the trees for our future, for getting fresh air, for getting everything. We should have to grow trees. Okay, then hunting and poaching also. Trees, all the animals are also very much important, so we should have to ban on hunting and poaching. So these are the some basic rules. So we have more than one, but we have to, each rule has a specific purpose, so we should have to follow these rules. We follow many customs and traditions in our lives also. We follow those traditions by observing our mother, father, grandparents and other relatives. There are several good customs and traditions in our society. So we celebrate festivals together, we welcome guests who visit us, then are the hospitable to them. Okay, हम लोग भी हमारे घर में जो गेस्ट आते हैं उनका हम लोग स्वागत करते हैं. We provide them good things to eat, okay, and good hospitality. So it's our duty. Many of our customs enable us to maintain the balance of nature. We express our love and gratitude towards animals also. The values of non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life since ancient time. Okay, so this is our, then even so there are some traditions and customs that are not desirable, they are not beneficial for our society. For example, caste distinction, it is not beneficial for our society. Because of this, a divide has been created in the society. की caste discrimination है कि ये caste discrimination is not good for the society. All are equal for the society. It has given rise to inequality. Untouchability was an inhuman and unjust customs also. Okay. The Constitution of Independent India abolished the custom of untouchability. Then many times laws have to be made to abolish unjust customs. Okay, in our country, customs such as sati and child marriages were abolished by making laws that ban. Okay, these laws now ban sati जो होता था वो भी in olden days. सती मतलब जो अगर उसकी जो लेडीज है उसके अगर हस्बैंड की डेथ हो जाती थी तो वो हस्बैंड के जो जिसको चिता के साथ वो जो लेडी है इसको भी सती जाना रहता था. एट दैट टाइम इट्स अ वेरी बैड थिंग एंड चाइल्ड मैरिजेस आर आल्सो वेरी बैड. चाइल्ड को दे हैव अ राइट टू एजुकेट them. So child marriages also were abolished by making laws that ban them. The law that banned the use of magic for cheating people was first enacted in Maharashtra. Receiving a dowry has been banned by law. Some social issues are there, illiteracy that has been banned. Then child labor also banned, child marriages also banned. Okay, so we should have wrong customs and traditions cause the neglect of some sections of society. They have no access to education, therefore they do not get opportunities of development. It's a fact. Okay, so they have no means of livelihood. Therefore, they have to face poverty. It's a big thing. Poverty and lack of education are two big obstacles of our society. So we can only make progress together if we get rid of these obstacles. Okay. So this is about the rules, regulations, and then protecting our environment. So just as the law are necessary to maintain equality and justice in society, laws are also required for protection of the environment. We are dependent on the nature in many ways. Most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. So natural resources should be available in enough quantities for the needs of our future generation. So we should have to use it very carefully. Then therefore we must conserve these natural resources. We must use them carefully. It's our duty as a good citizen. Okay. So this is about the rules are for everyone. So in this lesson, we learned rules are for the people, are changed from time to time. Rules in the olden days were in the form of religious traditions and social customs. Laws are made to combat inhuman and undesirable traditions and customs. Okay, children. So here we revise the topic once again. You please go through it, read the lesson, and revise question answers. Okay, so bye everyone.